Introducing the Hillbillies Southern Range. We've got brines, breaders, fries, seasonings, and sauces for fried chicken done the right way, Southern style. Just mix with water and let your Southern brine do the talking. Give it a little time to thicken up. Lay the chicken into the brine and let it soak up that Southern goodness. Let that chicken brine for anywhere from 3 to 48 hours. Take that brine chicken and drop it into the Southern style breader. Make sure every piece is coated real good for big crunch and bold Southern flavor. Ease that chicken into the fryer nice and steady. Fry it up till it's golden brown and good and crispy. Y'all take a look at that. Juicy, golden, and packed with bold, down-home Southern flavor in every bite. The Southern Fried Chicken Experience by Hillbillies. The end-to-end fried chicken solution. Y'all need to bring real Southern flavor to your kitchen.